Today we will be going over the portable suction unit and the stationary suction units we carry at Wave and Cell Healthcare. We will start by reviewing the portable suction units. We have two different units. There is the DeVilbiss brand and the Vacu-Aide that we do carry. They both do the same exact thing, serve the same medical purposes, no differences at all. Your on and off buttons are located in the front of the units here. Once you turn on your unit, you do sound slightly different, do the same exact thing. No difference as far as functionality goes. Fresh out of the box, the unit does have a 60-minute battery life. That is if it is continuously on. We always want to ensure that your unit is plugged in and charging at all times whenever you are home. For the Vacu-Aide unit, which we have here in front of me, charging port is located in the back of the machine. Your cord does have an elbow plug-in to where it should plug in like so. When you do plug in the unit, you will notice that your green light will turn on. The yellow light as well will turn on, showing that it is currently charging. If the red light does come on here at the top, it will let you know that your battery is about to die. Since this is a lithium battery that is built into the unit, if you let your battery deplete completely, it will cut the battery life short. For your portable DeVilbiss unit, you will have your charging port located up front in the unit to where the elbow connector does connect directly to it. You will notice as well that your light will turn yellow whenever it is charging. If for some reason your battery is low, you will also get a red light with that. Always ensure that your unit is charging by verifying that your lights do turn on. If it is not turned on and you are plugged in, connect to a different outlet to test. Once you tried plugging it into a secondary outlet and you notice that your light is still not turning on, meaning that it is not charging, just go ahead and give us a call and one of our members will be more than happy to assist you. Same as the Vacu-Aide, you will notice a change in the suction pressures whenever the unit is attached to the power supply. You will notice an increase. When you disconnect, there will be a slight decrease. There is a knob right here in the front to where you are able to adjust your pressures. You can either go lower or higher depending on the need of the suction force. On this unit, your knob is actually on the gauge itself. And so depending on if you need to increase or decrease your suction pressure, you are able to do so by maneuvering the knob. When traveling outside the house, make sure to always take your wall charger and your car charger with you. The important thing to know about your car charger is to make sure you turn on your vehicle first and then plug in your charger. This will prevent the unit from shorting out. Also make sure to take an extra setup of a canister, your tubing, and if you have one with an external filter, make sure to take an external filter with you as well. If you or your child have a tracheostomy, please make sure to carry a DeVilbiss mucus trap in your travel bag in the case that your unit does malfunction. This is the stationary suction machine that we carry. It does differ from the portable suction unit since it does have to be plugged in directly to a power source. We do recommend plugging it in directly to a power outlet since it does generate quite a bit of suction power. The stationary unit is the primary suction unit you do want to utilize in the home. The reason for that is because your portable suction unit is to be used for travel. Excessive use can wear out the battery and decrease the battery life of that unit. So that is why we recommend utilizing your stationary suction as a primary suction machine in your home. If you do need to move it from room to room, you can unplug it and plug it into a different outlet in a different room if need be. The on and off button to this unit is located on the side of the unit. Simply click it to power it on, click it back to power it off. In the front of the stationary machine, you will also notice there will be a knob located on the corner of the unit. This can help adjust the pressures, either increasing or decreasing on your preferences. You also have the pressure gauge to see what pressures you are giving your patient as well. The stationary suction machine is compatible with both the internal and the external filter canisters. Your canisters do connect in the same manner as they do with your portable suction unit. It does have a canister holder on the side to where your canister does fit in. The way your filter is connected to this unit, there is a outlet right on the side of the unit in the back to where you will connect your tubing from your machine to the top of your canister. Once the canister is connected to the unit, setup is the exact same as your portable unit. Proceed with covering the ports and then make sure you do connect your suction tubing to the canister. Turn on your unit and run the seal test. Remember, you do want to hear 2 pops to ensure that there is a complete seal to your canister. One question we do receive about the unit is the power button not turning on when connected to a power source. There are a few things you can do to troubleshoot the unit. First thing you want to do is connect your unit to a different outlet. If that does not solve the issue, there are other steps you can take in order to troubleshoot the unit. You could be experiencing a pressure buildup from the unit itself. In order to determine if that is the issue, take a look at your gauge. If your needle to your gauge is up on the higher numbers, there could be a pressure buildup in the unit. To resolve that issue, what you simply have to do is disconnect the tubing that connects your unit to your canister. You will hear a leak of air coming out of the unit. Once that is done, connect your tubing back onto the machine. Make sure your unit is plugged into power outlet, power the unit on. If that is still not working, just go ahead and give us a call and one of our members will be happy to help you.